y'all, welcome back to Kim's Southern Sanctuary. We have a very busy day on our hands. Pardon me if things are a little bumpy, but I'm doing my morning walk. I find that if I get my walk in the morning, I've got more energy in my day. My anxiety is not near as bad. So walking kind of helps me settle in for the day, helps me kind of calm down. So if you're not walking in the morning, you should probably try it. And I use the Under Armour Map My Run app to track my distance and my time. So this morning, as I'm walking, I'm gonna try to leash train this dog again. If you didn't see the video a couple weeks ago, he chewed the leash off of his collar as I was trying to leash train him. I don't think he trusts me anymore because he's not walking as far as he used to with me. He'll go a little way and he'll sit down in the middle of the road. And he just hangs out. He watches me. But we got a new leash. It's kind of a plastic. It's got a cable on the inside and it's got a plastic coating. We'll see if he chews that off. Even if he doesn't walk with me very far, he's back at the house at the end of our driveway. So when I go back that way, I'm gonna clip it on him, just see what he does. I'm gonna walk away from him because that's what I did last time. He's decided not to walk with me today. I'm going to go on ahead and put this on him. Roll over. Okay. See if he chews that off. You wagging your tail now. He wouldn't get up. He's right where I left him, but he's sitting up. So I'm going to see if I can get him to just get up. Come on, I'm going to go this way. Come on, let's go. Buddy, come on. Come on. So I just got done a walk, waiting on Buddy to see if he'll walk back over here to the house with that leash on. That's the only way I know how to do it. So we're going to keep working on that. If he lays there all day, that's his problem. I mean, he can get up. He's not in trouble. I just want him to be able to go with us places and be able to walk on a leash. I got to go in here, get these girls up. I don't like to wake my kids up. I don't like my teenage kids in the mornings. They're very difficult. And so that causes me a lot of anxiety, but I got to go do it. I have already this morning had to clean and mop my downstairs bathroom with bleach. Key Cat had his balls cut off yesterday. I don't know of any other nicer way to say it. So he slept in the downstairs bathroom. And when I got up, it smelt to high heaven. He had peed all over the floor. And so he got put out. He's got to stay out for the next couple of days anyway because we're not going to be at home. And so, yeah, Kitty Cat made a mess, and so I had to bleach my floor. I went on ahead and wrote out my list of things that we need to do today before we leave to go camping. So check the eggs, water, and pick any vegetables in the garden. I gotta water my plants that are on the porch. Nora's gotta clean out the litter box. Feed and water both the cat and the dog. I need to go charge the leaf blower battery because we take that with us. We need to pull out bikes, chairs, and the ice chest. We've got to unload the dishwasher because I don't want those sitting in there while we're gone. And then I need to vacuum the living room. And one more thing I need to add is we need to fold and put away the last load of laundry that's in the dryer. And then we've got to pack. He's still here. He won't move. But what I can tell you is Let me see. He has not. Are you coming with me? Come on, let's go. Yay, you did it. You did it. Oh, let's get over there. You're so awesome. See, you're not in trouble. Let's do this. Let's do an adjustment. Hey, come on, let's go. You were doing great. Buddy, come on, let's go. All right, come on, let's go. Look at his eyes. He's like, he thinks he's in trouble. You're not in trouble. Are you gonna come? Let's go. Come on. All right, well, you don't have to. So that was a small ounce of success. Oh, but he'll walk. Okay, so you got to start walking him now. I'm not.
Oh, great. Come on. Come on. Am I get on this side of you like I'm supposed to? Am I supposed to be on this side of you? Come on. Come on.
It's like he'll go a couple steps and then he just like shuts down.
Come on. Are you ready? Oh. Nope.
So I forgot to film while we were loading up the camper. So just kind of want to show you. This is our little list that we go by to make sure we have everything for the camper. I do have a few things that I need to go grab. Need to go get 2 pillows. Need to check, make sure we got everything. And as far as Chris and I's clothes, we've got, those are just things we're not bringing. So this is the rest of what we've got to go in the camper. Bibles, this is bacon cheeseburger soup, another Bible, Chris's toiletry bags, his bug blaster because he's gonna sit and shoot bugs. And then I've got, this is our basket of, Chris and I's basket of clothes, cards and all that good jive. And then Banjolene is coming with us. He's gonna strum us a tune. And we have drinks still. That need to go, and what is this? Oh, we all know what that is. We have to have the CR for the trip. Our John's already here.
Yeah, but when we come back, it's longer